StarLine alarm system tutorial. So when you disarm the vehicle, the first thing it needs to see is authorization from the factory key. So it needs to see that the unlock signals come from a factory key and not through the door lock. Second authorization is a must, is the Bluetooth tag. This will not disarm and the vehicle will not start unless you've got the Bluetooth tag present. And third authorization is through validation of the buttons on the steering wheel. So on this transit here, use the cruise control buttons, and you can turn this feature on and off, so you don't have to have the full highest level security. So to turn it on is very simple. You press the valet button there twice and then turn the ignition on. Got two little chirps there and the hazards are just flashed as indication. So now risky parking mode is on, so it turns on the validation. So now when I lock the vehicle and it arms, and then when I unlock it, if I go to start the vehicle now, it will not start. So it needs to see the buttons. So if I enter my code, get the two flashes up on the validation button, on the valet button, and now the engine will start. So it's very quick and easy. So now it needs to see the three forms of authorization: the key, the tag, and the buttons. And to take this feature off, you just have the ignition off. You press the button twice, so you get two flashes of the lights. Turn the ignition on, two little chirps, get a little flash there, two flashes now, so two flashes is off. And now when I turn it off, I just lock the vehicle. Vehicle's now armed, just unlock and disarm, and now it'll start straight away using the Bluetooth tag. And the vehicle starts. So that's how to turn it on quickly. So if you want to use the feature, two presses of the validator or the valet button, and it puts it into risky parking mode.